Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share one of my favorite breakfast sandwiches. This was actually created by my hubby many years ago. He wanted to make me something to eat. Now mind you, he does not cook, so I was kind of skeptical about it. But he made it and I absolutely fell in love with this. It's really simple, it's quick to make. My family loves this. It's ooey, it's gooey, it's cheesy, and it's absolutely delicious. Here's the list of ingredients you're going to need for this. Not very many. You're going to need a couple of eggs. You're going to need some cheese. I'm using Kraft Singles American. You're going to need some cream cheese. You're going to need some butter, salt and pepper to taste, and of course your star ingredient, your bagels. And that's it guys, that's all you need to make these amazing bagel sandwiches. So let's get cooking. Alright guys, so I'm going to start making my bagels first. My bagels are going to take longer than my eggs. I'm not using my regular toaster today, I'm going to use my toaster oven. So we're going to go ahead and start with the bagels, and they all should get done in the same time as the eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this and put this in the middle. I'm going to put my bagels down. Now what we want is, we want these to be a medium toasted. We don't want them too light and we don't want them too dark. I'm going to go ahead and start this. So I'm going to put it on medium toast, and we're going to go ahead and start our egg while this is toasting. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to start frying our eggs. I'm going to go ahead and put this on medium high so that the pan gets really nice and hot before we put our eggs in so it doesn't stick. What I did was I just greased my pan with a little bit of vegetable oil, and then I'm going to be putting some butter in there before I fry my egg. So you're going to put 1 tablespoon of butter, and you're going to let this get really nice and hot and melted, and then we'll go ahead and add our egg to that. And if you hear the clicking noise in the back of me, that's my toaster oven. So I apologize for the clicking noise. Alright, that's getting nice and hot. Alright, that looks great. See, it's starting to bubble up with the butter. Now we're going to go ahead and add our egg. Now each sandwich is 1 egg. That sizzling noise, that's what you want. Let that start frying. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And again, use your salt and pepper to taste. And we're not going to touch this, flip it. We're not going to do anything with this for about a minute or so, so it doesn't stick. We're going to let that cook evenly, and then I'll show you what to do next. I'm going to go ahead and lower the temperature to medium now. See that it's starting to fry around the edges and it's starting to look really good. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to place the top over it. And remember, it's on medium. And what this is going to do is it's going to make a nice steam. It's going to cook the top of the egg perfectly, and it's not going to stick or burn. So I'll be back in a second so I can show you what that looks like. Alright guys, that looks perfect. Take the lid off. We're going to go ahead and put this egg right on a dish. Look how beautiful that looks. And we're going to go and assemble our sandwich. Alright guys, so my bagels are beautifully golden brown, exactly what I wanted. Taking them out right now. And this is the way we're going to assemble it, and you must do it while it's hot. You're going to take your cream cheese, and you're going to put cream cheese on both sides, as more or as little as you want. Now remember, this must be done when it's hot, so everything melts and gets nice and ooey gooey. You're going to take 1 piece of American cheese. You're going to put that right on the top of the sandwich. You're going to take the egg. I'm going to put that right on the right side. So cream cheese, cheese, egg. You're going to put the top on like that. You're going to smush it down a little bit. And you see the yolk coming out? That's exactly what you want, guys. I'm going to go ahead and cut into this to show you what it looks like. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look beautiful? I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you've made this and what you thought of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you put your post notifications on so you don't miss any of my videos. Enjoy, guys.